Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) is seeking collaborations with universities to strengthen the capacity to carry out research projects intended to solve problems militating against sustainable development in the Niger Delta region. Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, gave the hint when he hosted Vice Chancellors of the Ignatius Ajuri University of Education and the River State University recently in Port Harcourt.
At a recent meeting with Vice Chancellor of the Ignatius Ajuri University of Education, Professor Oke Onuchukwu, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, observed that developing the Niger Delta region had become an uphill task due to the difficult nature of its terrain. The NDDC boss, therefore, challenged universities domiciled in the Niger Delta to embark on research projects designed to tackle underdevelopment in the Niger Delta.
We have various health challenges that are known to be deadening those of us in the tropical Africa. We have ecological challenges. Let us partner in those researches. It is not enough for us to be building shore protections, for us to be dredging, but I believe there could be a solution that could cure some of these things.
For his part, Professor Onuchukwu assured Dr. Ogbuku of his institution's readiness to partner the NDDC in generating ideas that would promote sustainable development in the Niger Delta.
We have a well-established research center there. Whatever survey you have, whatever research you want to carry out in NDDC, contact us and consult us. We will use that center to ensure that, we carry out that research effectively and efficiently.
Earlier, the NDDC Managing Director held a meeting with Vice Chancellor of the River State University, Professor Nlegum Okobule, in his office, where he emphasized the need for collaboration to build research capacity for universities located in the Niger Delta region.
It is very, very important we develop this partnership, especially in some areas, some fields, maybe some courses, which will also reduce the capital flight on sending our children abroad for studies. If we develop our faculties here, especially some specialized ones, it is going to save us cost at the long run.
In his response, Professor Okobule described the proposal as most welcome, while thanking the NDDC for its donation of critical infrastructure to the River State University over the years.
The Commission has, in carrying out its assignment, impacted on some aspects of the River State University. Your Commission has, in support of what we are doing in the university, erected a field for us, which we call it today NDDC itself, and we want to appreciate the Commission for that. We still have a number of infrastructural facilities that require enhancement, and we believe and we know that your Commission is in a better position to assist us in this area.
The proposed partnership between the NDDC and universities is in line with its mandate to develop human capacity in the Niger Delta.
Inside the Niger Delta,